Good day everyone. So in this video I'm gonna share you how to create the presentation using the match and move transition using the Canva. So the first step that you need to do, you can open your Canva and go to the presentation like this. And after that you can start to change the color if you want to. For example, I'm gonna change to have the gradient color. And after that, you can also adjust the color if you want to. Click this, give the gradient color. I will add the white color like this. Perfect. And after that, I will start to add the picture. Let's say your favorite country or team. For example, I'm gonna select this one. And I will also adjust the size of it. And I will also add the text in the middle, for example, España. And you can also do the adjustment, let's say for the font and also the size and color. For example, to be like this, guys. And after that, you can start to give the right click or click these three dots and duplicate the page like this. And let this or set aside this second slide. Go back to this section and you can start to give the effect or animation for this. For example, I'm gonna make it to be rice and this text has the animation. I will use the shift and adjust the speed. For example, like this. And after that, you can go to this second slide. And after that, you can start to adjust the size for this element, like this picture, and also this text, like this. And you can also put your text into this section. For example, I'm gonna copy from this and put it here. Go to the text, go to the section, for example, like this. And you can also adjust the font again, for example, to be like this. And after that, you can start to give the add transition and choose the match and move like this. So the movement gonna be like that. And after that, you can adjust the animation for this text. For example, I'm gonna choose the shift. And if you give the preview or present, and the result gonna be like this. España. So basically, this match and move give you the connection about this object and this object to spread like this to this, and you'll have the chance to explain everything into your presentation. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this transition named the match and move. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.